Welcome to the FedEx, eCommerce and ERP integration demonstration. In this video, we will create a sales order in Magento. BPA Platform will then download this to the staging database and synchronize this with SAP Business One. We will then copy the sales order to a delivery note in SAP Business One, which will trigger BPA Platform to download the delivery note to staging, and then onto FedEx, where the appropriate tracking number and label is downloaded ready for printing. In this demonstration, we are using Magento and SAP Business One. However, a wide range of business systems are supported. Please see our website for more information. For this demonstration, we will create the order using the Magento backend, but this is also applicable to orders created from the webshop front end. In Sales, Orders, we will create a new order. Then select an existing customer and click Add Products. Let's choose a product and click Add Selected Products to Order. For the purposes of this demonstration, we will enter a custom price and update the order. We will select a shipping option and then click Submit Order. We now have an order prepared for this demonstration that we can synchronize to SAP Business One. In BPA Platform, we can see the set of tasks for this demonstration. These tasks would normally run on a scheduled basis. But for this video, we will now queue the first task, Magento orders, to SAP Sales Orders. Once the tasks have completed, we will open SAP Business One. Let's locate the sales order, navigating to Sales AR, Sales Order, and go to the last record. Here we can see the sales order has been synchronized from Magento. To take the order to the next stage, we will click Copy to Delivery, then Add and New, and to confirm, we will click Yes. Clicking the last record, we can see the delivery record is now ready to go. Back in BPA Platform, these tasks would normally run automatically in sequence, but for this demonstration, we will select SAP B1, Get Delivery Notes, and Queue Now. This will take our delivery note from SAP Business One to staging. Now that we have an order ready to be dispatched in the staging database, we can generate a shipping label. Here we can see the FedEx template tasks. Let's start with the authentication task. As a security measure, this will handle the authentication logic to FedEx to get the access token and store it in a global variable, and is used by the other tasks for FedEx API calls. The token will expire every hour, so this will normally run on a schedule. We can now queue the control task, and this will run all the other template tasks in sequence. This will send our delivery order to FedEx to produce a shipping label and send a tracking number to the staging database. The label will then be downloaded from FedEx to a specified file location on your system. This could also be sent to a network printer by BPA Platform as part of your task design. And that's it for this video. We have demonstrated how the FedEx template can be used within your integration processes. For more information on BPA Platform integrations, call us or visit codelessplatforms.com. Thanks for watching.